Okay, telemetry, ground control station, we are starting the takeoff procedure. So pre-flight test, 3, 2, 1, top.
Yeah, it is a great day for the CityAIRBUS. We performed today the full automatic flight. So this means we had an automatic takeoff of the aircraft, the stabilization in the air, and of course an automatic landing of it.
AIRBUS 4, Red Fox 2, we are ready for first takeoff. For takeoff, 3, 2, 1, takeoff. Engine ramp up. Aircraft steady, aircraft lifting. All parameters in green.
Everything went perfect, so we are very happy. This was a great achievement for us. Manching is the next big step for us, so we will move to Manching end of August, and we will extend the flight envelope of the aircraft. So we will fly forward, and then we will fly at medium and higher speeds than we did here in Donauwörth. There we have the secured area to do this kind of flight envelope extension we need to do.
Everybody, ground control station, we go for landing. Seat brake is okay. Eagle has landed. Congrats, guy. Cockpit, congratulations everybody.